See the Axio Global Customer Aging Report feature in action in this product demo. Axio's enhancement to the Customer Aging Report is a game changer. The Axio Global Customer Aging Report enables running the Customer Aging Report across all legal entities. It is available under the Axio menu, as well as under the Credit and Collections menu. A new legal entity field is added to the standard report form. Use this field to view a list of legal entities that may be included on the report. Next, select which entities to include in the report. You can select multiple legal entities. Click Select to confirm the entities to include in the report. The Include Amount in Transactions Currency field adds the currency to the Global Customer Aging Report. This new feature will provide a more comprehensive view of outstanding receivables, making it easier to manage and analyze financial data across different parts of the business. It's a big step forward in streamlining financial operations and improving efficiency. The Axio Global Customer Aging Report is also available in the Credit and Collections module. Want to see how Axio can speed up the implementation process and accelerate your return on investment? Speak with one of our experts at Velosio.